up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie. Today's gonna be a short one. I got a lot of work to do, but I have to get black bedding inspected, so that's what I'm going to do now. I got a lot of stuff to do, not really much time to do it. Everything keeps breaking at work. Tired of fixing it. The bike needs to be inspected, otherwise I can't take the safety course in August. They'll kick me out. They'll be like, no license for you. And I'll be like, shit. I was pretty concerned because just about all of yesterday, AccuWeather was telling us that it was supposed to rain all morning. And I think it was roughly 5 o'clock last night that I checked it. And it went from raining from like 2 a.m. all the way up past what I could see, down to, it wasn't even supposed to start till like 9 a.m. And I'm like, oh, well, that's kind of good, I guess. And then I checked it again around, I don't know, I'd say around 11 o'clock. And it just, all the rain disappeared off of the forecast, the hourly forecast. I was like, oh, sweet, that works. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Because I got an aftermarket air intake on the bike, and I don't have a rain sock for it. So I can't ride in the rain. And if it would have rained this morning, I would have been really mad, because then I would have had to have rescheduled the inspection. So the place that I am going to for my inspection is CMMR. It's in Reading, Pennsylvania. It's located on North 13th Street. And I was recommended to them by a co-worker who's also a buddy, who's also a fellow rider, Mr. Irvin. One of these weekends we'll get him in on a video, and you get to meet Mr. Irvin. So this is the first time that I am using the GPS on my phone, just as this is like a reference. And it's funny because I can barely see it with the glare of just the lighter colored clouds. Like, you know, yeah, that's a pretty blue sky. AccuWeather said it was supposed to be cloudy all day. I don't really like 422. Not many people do. There's a whole Facebook page set up titled 422 Sucks. Hope you get lonely. Hope you get lonely tonight. This little merge point here is always fun. When you're coming through during rush hour, oh man. Accidents happen through here all the time. It's terrible. It really is. Oh yeah. Howdy, howdy. North 13th Street. Speed limit 25. What are with all these footprints? All these paw prints. She put up her hand like she was waving hi to me. If she wanted to tell me to go, she should have, been like, not just, hi. I should have just waved back to her. I should have just been like, hi, right back to her. Almost didn't see that stop sign. For anybody that's not aware, there's a cop that's behind me, and he's been behind me for the last, 4 blocks. Supposedly it. Where should I park? Yes, sir. Okay. Well, folks, Betty is now legal, fully, 100%. Just got her inspected. I gotta say, this guy, man, at CMMR, he's a real good dude. He's got a real nice shop, building some really nice bikes. If you got anything, especially Harley, take it to him. I recommend him. He's good. And I don't have to worry about cops following me anymore. Doggy. Well, now that the bike inspection's done, I got work to do back at the shop. Yay. So I'm gonna go back and try and get that done now. What the fuck, dude? You fuck kidding me? You cockstain! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ, I just got the thing inspected and almost got run off the freaking road. Well, I gotta say, like, I mean, I've seen plenty of videos on YouTube of compilations of riders and idiot drivers and even some idiot riders too. But you know, it's one thing when you watch a dash cam footage on YouTube of somebody cutting into a motorcycle's lane, and it's a completely different thing when you're actually on that motorcycle and somebody's cutting into your lane. I understand that difference now. And now I understand exactly how every single motorcyclist felt when that happened. And I understand every single thing that they do and say. I understand where that comes from. That shit is scary. Well, I gotta say, there's never a dull moment. I thought this was just going to be a short, boring video. And now here we are, we got dumbasses trying to run me off the road. It brings a little more light to the video today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I really don't want to lift my visor right now. I can smell that thing from here. It smells like trash. Get it? I cracked myself up. This guy gotta get over. If he does, I'll let him over. I just get out of his way before I end up roadkill under that thing. There is a full-on rig behind me and a trash truck in front of me. Howdy, howdy. Not really seeing many bikes out today yet. I mean, I guess it is still early, but... Well, guys, like I said, it was going to be a little bit of a short one. We got some action, so that's kind of cool, in a way. I mean, my life was in danger, but it is what it is. So if you liked what you guys saw, leave a like, comment if you want, and hit that bell icon notification button thing. This way you get notified when my next video comes out. Peace, homes.